introduce my group. My group consists of...
Hello, my name is Alvinayati, number 4.
Saya Waledifta, absent 8.
Maju. Hi, my name is Elia Rosita, number 16.
Hey, my name Farika Tuljana, number 6.
Hi, my name Intan Kumal Sarawati, number 19.
And the last, my name is Sisi Karina Ramawati, absent 27.
Slow.
So, let's watch our drama. Bye.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Nothing.
You lie. You look so awful.
I have a little problem.
What did us?
Share with us. This is about my boyfriend. He will be climb to Jayawijaya mountain.
So, what's your problem?
I'm afraid with him, and I will be miss him so much.
Oh, okay. We will sing a song for you. But, don't be sad again. Okay? Girl, your eyes, girl, your face, it's so different from the mothers I know. You're the only one that I will adore. 'Cause every time you by my side, my blood shot up my face, and my jicky face, that's so silly, yeah, oh yeah. That I want to make you mine. Oh baby, I'll take you to the sky. Forever you and I, you and I.
Oh my God, that song! I love that song so much. Now I don't sad again.
Hey, look, he's my boyfriend. He's so handsome, right?
Oh, you look so handsome.
See a guy. See a guy there.
I can't read my
Are you okay?
I'm so embarrassed. The people.
Hey, you! Hey, you!
What? What? You call us?
Sure.
Sure, you look, you make me so embarrassed.
Blue.
What are you saying? What are you?
Blue.
I know, you are throwing this peel banana. Right?
Oh, right. So?
Did you keep this cool? If all people throwing rupees anywhere,
Hello.
so this earth would quickly become extinct. Right there. No, you must apologize with her. You are right. Love the earth and keep environment to fix please.
Saya keringetan kok. You forgive me.
I will forgive you, but with one condition. Keep the school clean and don't throw rubbish anywhere again.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So, thank you for watching us.